This is the Lyrifine 40-ounce insulated water bottle. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the user instructions. They give you a strap for it here. You can put that around your neck or over your shoulder, something like that. A shorter paracord strap over here and a ring for that. I'll show you that in a bit. Two different tops for it. This is the kind of sippy cup one, if you will. And this one here is just a spout where you open that up. We could do that for just a second here. And there you go, just like that. Two plastic straws. These are not cheap stuff. They're a little bendy, but you know, not bad. They're not going to just collapse on you and kink. So you get two straws, a brush for the straws, a bottle brush to clean it, and of course the water bottle itself. You get quite a bit in here. By the way, this is available not only in black but also in sort of a pink and blue combination there. And they also give you a carabiner if you need that as well. So let me tell you a little bit about it here. This is a double wall vacuum construction water bottle. That means it keeps hot stuff hot and cold stuff cold. You put cold water in there and it will stay cold for up to 24 hours. If you put hot in there, it can stay hot for up to 48 hours. The bottle is made of 18-8 304 stainless steel and it is BPA-free. So it's perfectly safe and great all around. So let me show you how this all goes together. We'll take this top over here just because that's the one I grabbed. And this obviously will just screw right on to the bottle like that. You want to make sure you make a nice seal on there to keep everything insulated. And if you need a drink, you can open that up like that, drink right out of it, or you can put your straw in. It falls in with that one, but it may fit using the other one. If you wanted to put the ring on and one of the carry hooks, you just take that, slip it over the bottle, and then your top will go on. And then you can use the strap and attach there and attach there, and now you can carry it just like that. So that's handy. Or the next strap goes the same thing, same type of deal like that. If you want to use the sippy cup top, then you just screw that one on as you did in the same fashion, and you can either press here or you can use that, and it flips open, and there you go, just like that, ready to go. Keep hot or cold liquids in there, anything like that. When you're done using it, you can open it up. If you use the straws, then you would use the brush right there, and you can clean out the straw just like that. And for the bottle, you would wash that and you can stick that in, and that goes all the way down to the bottom of the bottle, and you can still hold on to it, and that's all nice just like that. So you really get a lot of stuff with it. Strangely, I got really thirsty making this video. I know just what to do. Here's our Lyrifine water bottle. Let's try it out. Works real nice. All around an excellent water bottle with tons of accessories, everything you need for just about every situation, and a very, very generous 40-ounce size. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.